Hey, it's Ramey here from UMI Performance, getting ready to talk about the UMI 2651 and 2653 A-arm kits, suitable for 2nd gen GM F body and 78 to 96 GM B body. So the lower arm features strong tubular construction, greasable polyurethane bushings with flutes, so the grease goes from the grease fitting to the face, nice and quiet. Polyurethane bump stop, double shear sway bar mount. So this is the sway bar mount kit that comes with it. It has a high misalignment rod end on the bottom and then a polyurethane bushing on the top on the sway bar side. Comes with a sleeve kit. So the sleeves fit 70 to 74 GM F body or 75 and up GM F body, also GM B body applications. Upper A arms, once again, strong tubular construction, chromoly cross shaft, smooth Delrin bushings, and the big thing that the UMI upper A-arms do is increase caster, which improves on-center feel, gives the car a nice steering feel, and it adds camber gain while turning, which translates to better handling for your ride. If you have any product-related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.